Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How you all doing? On my Facebook page, you see where I posted the Singapore Noodles, but I had no video to it. So tonight I think, you know what, I'll put some video to that. So, what we have here is some really fine sliced chicken, already seasoned up, ready to go. And the seasoning is curry, cracked pepper, a little bit of salt. That's the seasoning. We have here some glass noodles, and these here you can find in any one of your Asian food store. Just a glass noodle which is refried, and you put it in warm water until it gets like that. Yummy, yummy. So over here we have some spinach that we're going to use inside of it. We have all the accoutrements. We have carrots. We have cabbage, Napa cabbage. We have bell peppers, onions, a little bit of thyme. You know, I get it turned my Bahamian flavors inside of that. Over here we have fish sauce. Over here we have sesame oil. We have light soy. We have curry. Then over here we have tango mushroom. We have some green onions over here. Okay, so let's get to it. Now, here is the pan being heating now for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna put my chicken inside of it. Now I want these to cook, but I don't want them to overcook it. Okay, I don't want them too done. I want them still with a little moistness inside of them. These are about to cook again. Okay. Smell that. That's how I want them to look right there. Right? Take them out, put them in a plate. And this could be one of your go-to meals, okay? When you don't feel like spending an hour, half an hour one of those big meals. This could be one of your go-to meals, and I'm hoping that it can be one of your go-to meals. So now I'm going to add to that some sesame oil. Say about 3 spoonfuls of sesame oil. And bring to the party the Holy Grail. Give me a minute. Let the pot come back up to temperature. That is beautiful. So the whole Holy Grail, get it inside of it. Now remember what I said: carrots, bell peppers, cabbage, onions, a little bit of thyme. Put it all up inside there. Look on this side. Give that some time to cook down. In the meantime, gonna add some curry powder to that. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what gives it that flavor. Singapore curry powder. Now I want it combined well inside here. We're gonna leave that and let it love itself. And let it love itself. In the meantime, let's talk about the noodles that is going along with that.
Hello.
And this here is our glass noodles for Singapore. And look at that. Ooh, don't that looks lovely? Yes. Then over on this side over here, our seasonings that we about to use inside of that, along with our spinach, our mushroom, Asian mushroom, and our green onions. There we go. There we go. That is beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, the smell inside here is just awesome. It's just awesome. The aroma inside here is now. Okay. So I'm putting in a little bit more because I don't think I had sufficient inside of it. And that would be the curry powder. So at this time, we're gonna add our soy. We're gonna add our soy to it. Then we're gonna add a fish sauce to it. And this fish sauce, ladies and gentlemen, you can get this in any Asian market. All right, so we're gonna add fish sauce to it. All right, and we're still gonna let it love itself for a minute or two. So we're gonna add a chicken back to it. Some of it don't want to be eaten by man. Too bad. Next, we're gonna add our glass noodles. Look at that. Don't that just look beautiful? Huh? So we're adding our glass noodles. And this is just warm water. How this glass noodle is going to come, it's going to come dried. So you add it, no need for cooking it. Just add it to warm water. And this is how you want to get it. Look at that. Look at the strain on this, man. Look at the strain on this. Just add it to warm water. That is beautiful. Beautiful. So, I'm gonna sure that it's all incorporated into it. Now, for me, I love my spinach. You can call me Popeye if you like. And my tandoori mushroom, stems and all. Ooh. Give it a good stir. Let it all come together. Little sesame oil. Give it a little moistness, a little flavoring. Right. Good. Last but not least, eggs. There you got it, ladies and gentlemen. Singapore Noodles. Okay. So. Little green onions. And a little tasty taste. So you all can. I'm not teasing or charming you all or anything, but oh my goodness. Okay. So my Singapore noodles, my pot for Singapore noodles. Thank you for watching.